Hello, welcome to Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're going to make what Absolut calls a Swedish Paloma. This is one of the drinks created by Absolut Drinks. We're going to start off by taking our tin. We're going to take a little bit of lime juice, only 10 ml, throw that in there. Next, we're going to take some fresh ruby red grapefruit juice. We want 45 ml. Absolut Grapefruit. We're gonna want 45 ml. Get some ice in there. We're gonna give this a tiny little shake. We're gonna take our beautiful highball glass. You know the rim trick. Now we're gonna add some ice right to the glass. Hawthorne, strainer, soda. Now the reason why we pour these in at the exact same time is just because it looks good. Take up that grapefruit. Keep on rolling. Take a salted grapefruit wedge. Straight in there, a Swedish Paloma. Grapefruit, refreshing, summer's drink. Oh, it's one of the best Swedish Palomas I've had. That's all you really need. Keep it simple, keep it fresh.